What's up, one goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel. Today I'm going to make some green banana porridge. I'm not feeling so well, so I decided to make me some porridge. So as you can see, I have some green bananas and I just peel them, wash them, cut them up, and I'm going to blend them in some water. I'm just adding here my cinnamon powder and my nutmeg. If you don't have the powder, you can always use a cinnamon stick, but you have to boil it in the water, and you can grate your nutmeg. After I blend my green bananas, I'll be adding vanilla and I'll be adding some almond and rose water. So here I have my nice thick Dutch pot on the stove with a little bit of water with the almond and rose water in it. And I'm just pouring the blended mixture. You want to make sure this is on medium low and mix thoroughly, okay? So it doesn't lump. So I added my mixture, and what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to continue mixing. I use a whisk first, and then I used my spoon. The whisk kind of like give it this smooth, nice texture. But when it starts getting thicker, you're going to need your spoon. As you can see, it's already thickening, and this is why you need to use a spoon. I'm going to be adding some more stuff to this, like the evaporated milk, but I want the banana to cook first. So I have the evaporated milk, and I also have my sweet milk that I'll be using for sweetener. But you don't have to use a sweet condensed milk. If you want to go milk free, you can use like almond milk or coconut milk, your milk of your choice, and you can use honey to sweeten. So what I'm going to do now, since the banana has been cooking for about 10 minutes, I'm adding my carnation milk, which is my evaporated milk. And I'm just going to turn this thoroughly again. Just mix it in until it is nice and mixed in. I'm going to tip a little bit of salt in this just for taste, but I'm not a fan of salt. You can add a little bit of salted butter as well, like a tablespoon of salted butter, just for taste. You have other spices that you can add to your porridge, but I'm not going to overdo. You can add a little bit of allspice and almond essence, but it's up to you. So after this is cooked for about another 15 minutes, on low, I am going to sweeten with my condensed milk, and I normally leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes when I put the condensed milk in there. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just leaving it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let me know what you think about this recipe, you all. Here I'm sharing some out. You can have this with a piece of toast bread. You can have it by itself. We Jamaican like to put some water crackers in there. It's the best combination. Let me know what you think about this banana porridge. One super tip for you: if your banana porridge is not thickening up, you can mix some cornstarch mixture and you can slowly whisk that in. But if you use enough water and enough banana, you won't need any thickener. I'm just adding some cinnamon sugar on top just to top it off. But this is it, guys. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, walk good and let the good Lord bless you.